Uh, Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're in the hallways of Rainbow High, but it's a slumber party. Meet the leaders of the secret sleepover society at Rainbow High. They're all about spa days, hot gossip, and total relaxation. So here we have Brianna, we have her, and we have Robin. I don't know her name. So right here we have Brianna, and I don't know if her last name is Dulce. Is it Brianna Dulce? That's what we're gonna say because I don't know. So it's Collect the Rainbow. She's so cute. I love her theme. Her theme kind of reminds me of that line called Juicy Couture. That's what she kind of reminds me of. Her theme is pink and gold, and I love that it has some like kawaii elements on it. Never let anyone burst your bubble. Yes. So you can see she comes with a complete secondary look. Now for a moment, let's talk about price point. So I found her in two different places. I found her in store and online. So when I found her online, she was $29, but the price jumped. It jumped from that 50 price to 20 to like 35 at one point. So online, I got her for 29, her and Robin, but in store, they wanted the $50 price point. So I managed to actually price check, which they did not want to do. Just to let y'all know, I don't know if it's just my town. They gave me a really hard time, but I thought if you found something online, you can price check it in store, right? They had a really big issue with that, but at the end of the day, I was able to get it. I gifted one, and I have this one here with me. So if you are looking for them, you can either wait for discounts, or you can kind of check out that Walmart app and see if you can catch a good deal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get Brianna and all her accessories out of her packaging, and then we're going to come back, we're going to look her over, we're going to try on a few different looks, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on this Rainbow High beauty. We'll be right back. Hello everyone, we are back, and I have Brianna out of her packaging and all of her accessories. We're going to look everything over. She comes with this pink Rainbow High comb, which is really cute. It's pink and has the glitter inside of it. She comes with this really cute pillow. It says never let anyone burst your bubble, and this is the back of it, and it is nice soft plushy material, so that's really cute. Oh my god, I love her sleeping bag. It is so cute. I'm just gonna let you guys look it over. It has all these different pictures and all these different colors, and also I wanted to let you guys know that on the side of her box it says that Brianna has an animation focus. So her focus in school is animation and art, so this kind of makes sense to me. If you look at the zipper, it has the Rainbow High logo, and you can pull it down like that, and when you open it up, it's all pink inside. So I think this is really cool, and it fits her personality. Of course, we get the stand with the two hangers right there. They always fall. Every time I show that, one of them falls. But you can see the hangers. Okay. She also comes with a secondary outfit, which I can't wait to put on her because I'm low-key not fully feeling her first look. But this is the second outfit. Low-key, the reason why I purchased this, because it gives me that, the juicy couture look. And then she comes with these heels that says magic on them. We're gonna put that on her as well. And then over here we have Brianna looking so pretty. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I did end up getting two of her. One I ordered online and one I got in store. The other one I gifted to someone, and the one that I gifted had a little bit better face makeup than this one, but it's fine because I knew that mine was going to get played with value, and the other one was for a small child, so I wanted them to have the prettier one anyway. So this is her face up. Her earrings are kind of chipped, but I think they're cute. So they have R on the side, and they're pink pearls. You can see that, and on this one you can see the little chipping that's happening. I wish the earrings went in a little bit deeper, but it's okay. So as far as her makeup goes, she has like pink blue in her eye. She has a soft pink lip. She does have freckles. She has this cute eye makeup. Her eyebrows look really good too. Now, one thing I want to mention too, I noticed online, is that a lot of people were talking about her freckles. They said make sure you look over your doll because not every doll has the same freckle pattern. Now guys, come on now. If we're gonna get so critical that we're upset that the freckle pattern is different each doll, some things we have to get over. So this is her sleeping mask, and you can see it has this gold detailing all over it at the top. Her hair is one tone of pink. MG, I'm surprised. I kind of thought when I got her out of packaging that her hair would maybe have like white highlights, or I thought it was some white in here. As far as I can see, it is one tone. She does have the pigtails, and they go all the way down to about her knees. It has a nice soft curl pattern. It's not a lot of gel and materials in there, so I could really appreciate that. Now going down to her outfit, it's cute. She has really cute pieces, but collectively I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna talk about the worst part I'm not feeling, which is these shoes. Now in packaging, I really was for these. Like, I was so excited and everything, but the material, and I don't know if it's because they had to use this, but this is the itchy material. Like, even feeling it, it feels like little itchy pricklies. I thought these were going to be soft, like what did they call it? The na teen, but theirs are soft. They gave her the itchy material, but this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I'm not knocking it. It's just that I thought it was gonna feel different. And look, and the inside is starting to chip because the way her foot goes in and out of it. Actually, I may take these off because we switching these anyway. So these are her socks. You can see they're pretty okay. And going up to her shorts. Now these shorts I do like the shorts. It kind of gives her a tomboyish look, but a rich tomboy, you know. So this is cute. It has the R on the front. It definitely gives me upscale. I'm starting to feel it. She has functional pockets and a lot of good detail going all around. That's cute. And on the front you can see her shorts tie in the front. No Velcro. Now as far as her top, there is Velcro on the top. It is pink, and MGA did have the ties in there, so there's some little holes. I kind of like the detailing on it. It's really cute. And then we go down to her robe, which is really cute. This robe, yes. So it's like a soft pink cotton material. And then the trim, the belt, which is a separate piece, is this gold, white, and pink detailing. And it is a different material than the actual robe. If I haven't shown you guys, her nails are pink. Unlike mine, her nails look good, okay? And look, her earring fell out. I knew it. MGA, if anyone from MGA watches me, is there any way you guys can, look at this, give the girls a little bit longer studs? Because when you put them in, it's literally that, but it's really easy to knock them out, and the other earring is gone. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get Brianna changed. We're gonna come back. We're gonna talk about her secondary look. If anyone is unfamiliar, we'll also go over the articulation. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm in between dressing Brianna, so I figured it was the perfect time to do her articulation. For those who don't know, Rainbow High dolls do have the head articulation, and they do come with their new tilt feature, so you can actually tilt their heads around now. She has shoulder articulation, elbow, also wrist. They have articulations at the top of their hips. They have a bend in the knee, and I believe they can kick out, but just not very far. Alright, that's Brianna's articulation, and when we come back, she'll be in something new. Let's go, Brie! Alright, so here is Brianna, also with her mask on. I don't know how often you guys are going to want to do this, or if at all, but keeping these on, I can already see, is eventually over time going to smash up these eyelashes. So it's totally up to you guys. It's perfectly fine, but I just wanted to offer you guys this look at what may happen if you keep it on for a long time. But it is really cute. I'm getting some photos of her with her mask on. I just wanted to show you guys. All right, we are back, and we have Miss Brianna and her secondary look. And I have to say, this secondary look redeemed it all for me. I'm loving her secondary look. Okay, so her secondary look, her shirt says Rainbow High. She has on this plush top. This is the back. The back is really where it's at. I'm not lying. This back is all of that. It says Rainbow High. Then at the bottom it has rainbow. And all of this looks really good with these heels. Like, this second look redeemed her because I was like, oh god. But yes, I'm really loving it. Now, looking over everything that we get today, let's chop up that price point. Now, some people said it was too much money, that MGA was charging too much money for these dolls, and that these dolls should not have been that $50 price point or over $50 price point. Now, me personally, I understand why they did it. You know, if you think you can get it, go for it. Out of everything we get here, okay, so let's say the dolls alone were 20, plus the secondary outfit could be 10. That's already 30. Then it comes with a sleeping bag, which is like 10. So 30, 40, 45. You know, I'm kind of seeing the $50 price point. Think about packaging, shipping. So I can kind of respect it. I don't mind it. But if you can find them at a reduced rate, I say go for it. There's nothing wrong with that. But yes, Miss Juicy. Yes, I may have to change her name to that. Yes, Miss Juicy Contour. Yes, I'm loving it. So overall, my thoughts is she's a very fabulous doll. I don't think there's anyone like Brianna on the market. If you love pink hair, if you're a fan of Rainbow High, I would say she's definitely one to get. I really wish all these loose strings and everything weren't everywhere, but it's from those the ties that they put on there. Now in the third girl, the blonde one that I wasn't able to find, I may just wait for a sale for her. She is on stock. Last time I saw, she was on stock on the Walmart app. But she, out of the ones I got, she looks the most normal. Like, she looks like the one I could possibly wait for a sale. But I really wanted to get Brianna and I wanted to get Robin. So I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Over here I do have a goal set. My next goal is going to be 5K. So please share the video, like the video, and subscribe. By liking, that lets YouTube know that you guys are interested in seeing more videos of me. And just share with as many people as you can. Look, an earring fell again. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned because I do have more reviews on the way. I'll see you in the next one. Come on, Brianna, let's go shopping. Bye.